Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 15th December 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you are now learning spiritual drill from the spiritual father. Through this drill, you will go to the land of liberation, the land of silence. Question. The father inspires you children to make effort, but which aspect should you remain very strict about? Answer. Before the old world is set on fire, you have to remain very strict about becoming ready by considering yourselves to be souls, staying in remembrance of the Father, and claiming your full inheritance. You mustn't fail. When students fail, they repent a great deal because they feel that they have wasted their whole year. Some say, what does it matter if I haven't studied? However, you do have to remain very strict. The teacher should not have to say to you, too late. Essence for Dharana. First is, in order to remain safe from Maya, be very cautious about the company you keep. Keep a very clear line. Don't waste your breath, but make it worthwhile with this knowledge. Second is, whatever time you have available, practice performing spiritual drill and accumulate the power of yoga. Don't create any new bondages now. Blessing for today. May you claim the degree of a destroyer of obstacles by experiencing being under the Father's canopy of protection and thereby become an embodiment of experience. Details are: when the Father is with you, no one can do anything to you. The experience of His company becomes a canopy of protection. Bap Dada always protects his children anyway. Test papers come to make you experienced, and so always think that that paper has come in order for you to progress to the next class. It is with this that you will claim the degree of a destroyer of obstacles and the blessing of being an embodiment of experience for all time. If people now make a little noise or create an obstacle, they will gradually cool down. Slogan is, those who become cooperative at a time of need receive multimillion-fold return of one. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now have the deep concern to become complete and karmatit. Just as it has become easy to perform the actions of seeing, listening and speaking, similarly, experience the stage of becoming karmatit, that is, use your power to pack up to become one who is beyond any effect of action. One is the stage of being dependent on action and the other is the karmatit stage, that is, the stage of having authority over actions. So, check that the royal activity of yourself, the self-sovereign soul, the conqueror of your physical senses, is working under your orders.